Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. So today I'm doing my followers pick my makeup. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that recently in my story I put some polls of different makeup against each other to see which ones you guys would rather me use. And I said I'm going to do a video about it, so this is the video. Welcome. So this is the final look that I created with what you guys chose. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first poll that I did was primer. And I asked if you guys wanted to see the Smashbox one or the Too Faced Primed and Peachy one, and you guys chose Smashbox. So I've already washed and moisturized my face, so I'm just going to go right in with my Smashbox primer. I put some on my finger. Alright, now that we're all primed.
So freaking hot right now, guys. The window's open, so that's why you can hear everything outside.
Next, two foundations I put up against each other were the Born This Way foundation and then my everyday foundation, which is the L'Oreal Infallible. And by a lot, well, like more than the other polls, you guys chose the Too Faced one. I also have not used this one in a long time, so I don't even know if it's my color. So we will soon find out. Just taking my damp beauty blender. I'm going to take it on the back of my hand actually. I'm kind of scared because I haven't used it in a really long time and it looks almost a little bit orangey. I don't know. This is a lot more full coverage than I've been wearing, so looks like it works. Oh my god, guys, look at this side. And look at this side.
She's covered.
So I think I'm going to switch up on my channel and like not just do makeup videos. I didn't have a plan when I started YouTube. Like I knew I was going to do makeup, but I was like, I've always been into like vlog channels. And I've always just, like literally everything on YouTube I'm interested in.
Alright. So I look like a clown.
Oh my god, I'm so bad.
Don't worry guys, I know I look scary. I find the foundation not full coverage, but like medium to full, and it's like a lot more full than I usually use. So like, I'm just not used to it. So now that the foundation's all laid down, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So I put up against each other the Benefit Ka-Brow and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Yep, so I'm just going to use this Ka-Brow. I think this is a small size of it, to be honest. I got it in like a little kit. So I don't think this is the full size. I think it's like a trial size. But then it's cool because it comes with like a brush in the like, top. So that's what I find really cool. I've used it before, but I prefer to use my Anastasia 7B when doing my eyebrows. I find it gives more precise lines and I just like to use it more. And I just like that there's a spoolie as well. So I'm just gonna go in. Oh yeah, this is in this shade 5, by the way. So whenever I go outside the lines a little bit on my eyebrow, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but up here I went a little bit too round. But I really don't care because I go in with my concealer and I clean up everything. Honestly, concealing your eyebrows is like the biggest game changer ever. They make your eyebrows look like 100 times better. So for the tops of the eyebrows, I take my same color foundation that I used, just like the tiniest little bit. And then I'm going to take this concealer brush from e.l.f. and just go on the top. Very, very close to the eyebrow. I don't like using a light concealer on top just because I don't want that like halo eyebrow. I go back in with my beauty blender and blend. Then I'm going to go in with some concealer underneath, a little bit lighter. And just go ahead and take that concealer to prime my eyes. And that's how I do my eyebrows. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other one off camera really quick and I'll be right back. So now both my eyebrows are on and I'm going to go ahead and finish my face. Next products I put up against each other were Tarte Shape Tape and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And the Shape Tape one. So if you guys follow Drake on Instagram, you'll see he posted a photo recently, like 2 days ago. And there's a guy in the background creeping with his phone. But if you guys seen it, let me know because it's hilarious. And the guy in the photo happens to be my boyfriend, and it's literally the funniest thing ever. We went to a brunch last weekend at his restaurant, Drake's restaurant, and honestly I had no idea Drake was gonna be there. I mean, like, they said like, oh, maybe he'll show up, but it was the same day as the Billboard Music Awards, so I was like, oh my god, like, he's nominated, he's not gonna be there, he's gonna be in Vegas, whatever. Like, so all of a sudden we're there, we're out on the patio, and then all of a sudden everyone starts getting a little bit more hyped, and I was like, what the heck, like, what's going on, who's here? Because people are like, oh my god, someone famous is gonna show up. So I'm like, okay, like, who is it?
Who's showing up?
They like close off the patio, so we're already on the patio. They like make a path, they like move, like security is like moving us and stuff.
Okay guys, sorry, I'm really scared right now, but don't mind that, but...
Right in front of me walks Drake.
And I literally, me and my friend were like dying. We were like screaming, like, but like trying to like low-key scream because we're like, no, we don't want to get kicked out. Because we didn't want to get kicked out, but like, it was like unreal. Okay, before I finish the story, I'm just gonna, this is the one, this Too Faced Peach Perfect powder is the one that won up against the Kat Von D. All of a sudden, we're out there on the patio, Drake walks by, he goes to like his booth. They were kind of getting mad at us for taking photos, and like, I get it, but like, it's not every day you see Drake, so like, we were trying to like sneakily kind of take photos, I guess. So then in the photo that Drake posted, you can see my boyfriend in the back, like being really like, he looks really creepy, like I'm gonna admit it, like in the photo he looks like creepy. But like, it's so funny because like,
My boyfriend's like now mean.
so like the past couple of days, like different like Instagram accounts have been posting it, like Netflix posted it, our radio station near us posted it. Like a lot of people are like giving him hate about it. Like,
Oh my god, you couldn't leave Drake alone while you were there, blah blah blah. But like,
okay, like if you were there, you probably did the same thing.
he obviously didn't know he's gonna look like a freaking creep in the background.
Like no matter what anyone does, people are gonna have, somebody's gonna have like a negative opinion, so like it's just funny. Okay, I just have to clip my hair back because I'm literally dying over here and I look like a freaking ghost. Okay, so for bronzer, I put Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced up against Hoola, and Hoola won. I'm just gonna take this brush from Lancome and swirl it in my Hoola and add some color to my face. I'm probably gonna add like a lot of this because I look very ghostly. Barely have any product left. Like, can you guys even see it? Like, can you guys even see that? Like, she's scraping the sides. I always like to swirl it up into my hair so there's no nasty edges. Look how like bronze the side isn't look as a look. And then this. Ew, my lips are so white. I find that on camera that my bronzer looks a lot stronger than it is in real life. I'm not sure why that is, but contour my nose with a little bit of Hoola. And I'm just gonna snatch it up. I'm literally barely touching my nose when I do this. Oh, why did that go so dark? Can you guys see that? A little confused. We're just gonna blend with my powder brush. No harsh edges.
Chill.
Okay, for blush, I put Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush up against a Pixie blush, and the Tarte one won. And I really like a blush. Like, I used to never wear blush.
I hate a nose whistle.
I went in on my blush on that side. I look like a clown. So also I saw Nicole Concealio likes to put a little bit of blush under her nose. So I'm gonna put a little bit of blush under my nose. I don't know really what I did, but hey, if she does it, why can't I? I love Nicole Concealio, by the way. Okay guys, I just washed it back a little bit and I literally look crazy. I don't know why this contour looks like that. But I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend it a little bit, I guess. I don't really know what to do. Like in real life, it doesn't look like this crazy. Like look at this side. Why does it look like that on camera? I literally like watched it back and was like, whoa, like why do you look like that? Start on the eyes. I put the Morphe 35O palette up against the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette and Desert Dust palette 1. So I'm gonna take Desert Sand, the lightest color in the palette, and just prime my eyes. I'm gonna take this orange shade right here called Blazing and start to apply that. I'm gonna zoom you guys in real quick. I always forget. I got this palette or two, like, okay, a couple of months ago, but like, I honestly don't find myself reaching for it very often at all. I've really been liking her smaller palettes. Taking another brush that's clean and blending it out. I'm gonna take a little bit of Eden, which is this light pink shade right here, to blend out the edge. I'm gonna take a little bit of this darker orange shade here called Amber, tap off, and then just focus on the outer half of my eye. I'm going to do a gold lid. I think I'm going to take this Nefertiti. Guys, it's this golden. Guys, I literally, like, I'm dying at the shade name, like Nefertiti. Guys, if you guys know how to pronounce this shade name right here, this one, please let me know, because it's not, like, I can't think of anything other than Nefertiti. Nefertiti? Nefertiti. It's spelled like this. And I don't know how to say it. Nefertiti? Nefertiti. 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 I don't know, but like it just sounds funny to me. Like, so I like to take shimmer shades on my finger. So I'm actually gonna take it on a wet brush because it's showing up with my finger, but like not to the intensity that I desire. I'm actually just gonna use the other end of the Anastasia brush, wet it with some water, and there it is. Hi. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So now both eyes are done. I'm going to move on to eyeliner. So I put the Stila Day liner up against the Kat Von D tattoo liner, which I also love, and Stila one. I'm just gonna do a quick wing. Here's my wing. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, super duper quick. The next product was eyelashes, and I put the, whoa, these are the Lily Lashes X Sephora. So these are in the style Miami. So I'm just going to stick these on, and I'll be right back. I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line super quick. I'm going to take Blazing and Amber. I'm going to zoom you guys out to finish this look. Alright guys, we're almost done. So for setting spray, I put this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray up against the Physicians Formula one, and this one won. So for highlighter, I put the Artist Couture Illuminati Diamond Glow Powder up against the Jeffree Star Peach Goddess one, and I thought this would be kind of cool to see what people would think, because honestly on like a lot of makeup channels, I don't really see them using Jeffree Star cosmetics very often because he's such a controversial person. But honestly, I have two of his highlights, this Peach Goddess one and the Ice Cold, and they're like some of the most blinding highlighters I've ever used. So like, I don't know, like he is a controversial person and there's like a lot of mixed opinions about him, but if the product works, it works, you know. So I'm just gonna go into Peach Goddess with my fan brush. I'm gonna take this brush instead from BH Cosmetics, the V19 brush. She's glowing. Highlighting my Cupid's bow. I like a really highlighted Cupid's bow, so that's why I'm going in. Look at that. I mean, like up this side. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone too. A little bit on the forehead. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit more with my fan brush. Last but not least, I put an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in Dolce up against a Kylie liquid lip in Dirty Peach, and I have the lip kit for that one, and that's the one that won actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with a liner. I'm not gonna put it right to the edges. I'm just gonna work it in the middle. I usually add a gloss on top, but I forgot to put one in it, so we're just gonna leave it like this. Alright guys, this is the final look. I don't look as crazy anymore as I did halfway through. Yeah, I'm actually like really like pleased with how this turned out. Like I really like it. If you want to see more of me, you can subscribe and click that notification button so you're notified every time I post. I'm going to try and become a little bit more consistent. I know I've been a little bit inconsistent lately, but I just started my online classes and I work full time, and I know it's excuse after excuse, but bear with me, and I hope to get more videos up for you guys very, very soon. And I hope to see you all in my next video.